Here's some help with tonight's homework assignment. I'm going to do problem number 2, but first let's look at the directions at the top. 4-6 practice A, graphing linear functions. Complete the function tables, then match the letter of each graph with the function table for its linear function. So these are all linear functions, linear equations like we learned in class today. But we need to complete the table to match the correct table to the correct linear function. So it's just like when we did position and term. We just substitute the x values into the equation and get our output y. And then our x and y will give us our ordered pair, and we can check the graphs to see which one matches. Okay, y equals x over 2. So if x equals 0, I'm going to rewrite this equation, and wherever I see x, I'm going to put 0. Y equals 0 over 2. Remember, fraction bar means divide, so this is the same as 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by anything is 0, so y equals 0. And then when I write my ordered pair, I'm going to take my x value first, comma, the y value. So 0, 0. 0, 0 is the origin. So when we look for our graph, we're going to look for a graph that has a point on the origin, a line that has a point on the origin. Okay, when x equals 2, we just substitute 2 in for x. Wherever I see x, I'm going to put a 2. Y equals 2 over 2. 2 over 2 is the same as 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So y equals 1. So my ordered pair, my x, y would be 2 and 1. 2, comma 1. When x equals 4, I'm going to put 4 wherever I see x. Y equals x over 2, so y equals 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So when x equals 4, y equals 2. There's my third ordered pair. Now I'm going to look at my graphs. I'm going to look at the one right next to it. I'm looking for a line that goes through the origin. And you can see the origin's up here. This line is down below. All the y coordinates are negative, so this does not match our ordered pairs. Let's look at this graph C. I'm looking for that line to go through 0, 0 to go through the origin, and it does not. Let's look at A. It must be A. There's only 3 graphs. Okay. Looking at A, that line goes through 0, 0. Let's check our other ordered pair. 2, 1. Start at the origin, go 2 to the right for positive 2, and then go up 1. There's my point, 2, 1. Now let's look for this other ordered pair. 4, 2. X is 4, y is 2. So 4 to the right for positive 4x, and then positive 2y, so up 2. There's my other point. If I drew a line through those points, it would be the same line I see on this graph. So the graph for this linear function y equals x over 2 is graph A. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework. You only have 2/3 of the homework left to do. See you tomorrow.